marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to mid-lake until 4:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a cluster of intense thunderstorms capable of producing nickel-size hail extending from 25 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 35 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 50 knots. These strong thunderstorms will pass near Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Mariners can expect gusty winds, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time.